First, import a model. Thereafter, select Scene Tools. You now have 4 functions to engage with your scene. The first is Move All. As the name implies, you can move all 3D models at once, meaning you can reposition an entire scene. The next function allows you to measure objects. You need to pinch each side of the measurement tool. Thereafter, you can move it around freely and place it anywhere you want in the scene. If you place it on the side of a surface, as I'm doing here with the tabletop, it will align itself with a blue line, indicating a straight measurement. Using the blue line allows you to make accurate measurements. The cross-section function allows you to create cross-sectional views of all 3D models in your scene. You can use the blue ball to move the plane creating the section in 3D space. With the black lever, you can rotate the plane in order to get a different cross-section. The plane will lock into place in 90-degree angles, but can also be placed freely at any angle. The last function is the screenshot function. You will see a blue ball appear in your hand. Pinch with the ball in hand to start taking a screenshot. After the 5-second countdown, the screenshot will be taken. Your screenshots will be saved to the screenshot folder in your XR Easy folder.